Oh my god, this is my first ever video. I look right as a ghost. Got my cover. Just ate my sister's birthday cake. Got a cold Pepsi. Life. But, good morning Britain. Susanna Reid, Piers, flipping Mears, whatever his name is. They're all going nuts about the Theresa May speech. And it just makes me sad in a way that she coughed. She should have had a lozenge. Water does not help. Okay, water does not help. Give her a Yankee Candle, H&M, $4.99. Just let her do what she has to do. That's my best advice for her. And the P45 thing was really funny. But what did she need to be fired from? Her job? Her speech? No idea. Moreover, that was actually really funny. Liam Nelson, he's a prankster. The whole thing with P45, Jeremy Corbyn, they all need to relax. I really think that one party ganging up on the other party, vice versa, you know, they should. You want to guide. Sorry, that's my little sister's thing. You want to guide this country, you cannot blame another side. It's impossible. You just can't. You have to stick to what you know, and that is that. And it's crazy. I do not have a political view, but what I'm saying is they should have given Theresa May a lozenge. That poor woman. No, not poor woman. Her PA should have given her a lozenge. Like if Jeremy Corbyn was coughing, I would have said give him a lozenge. Jesus, my hair. Flipping hell. Look, I use this thing. Get to be from Schwarzkopf. It does not work. Oh, my teeth hurt. I hurt. My world hurts. Anyway, this is a planet. But yeah, it's crazy. Quay. The level of cray is up here. Before her speech, it was here. But yeah, very, very fun. Yeah, my phone's not working. No, it's my phone. Some stupid phone, mobile. I want the new Google Pixel. Look how bad my hair is. YOLO. I want the new Google Pixel. And I want my hair done. And I want a Yankee Candle. I might like that. And I've got mint, some shoe spray. That about sums me up. Not well, shoe spray, bad hair. Theresa May.